Hello, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and over the past 2 nights, I have been down to Bramley-moore for the new Everton Stadium to take a look around at what it kind of looks like overnight. We have done these type of videos before, but we just haven't done one recently, so we thought we'd get into it and take a little look around, see what's. See if we can have a little look inside while it's all lit up inside the gantries and whatnot, and just see if we can take a little look around. So, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also like and share the video with your family and friends. Big hello to Dean and Jade from Skelmersdale, who I met down there. Lovely couple of people that I met down there last night on the 29th of October. Right, the first thing I've noticed, this was filmed on Monday into Tuesday morning. I don't know why, but some of these blue lights on the actual stadium, the side of the roof, were out. Not sure why. So, yeah, don't know why. However, when we got in, it was pretty dark. It was pretty late. Couldn't really see much, so hence we went down again on Tuesday evening. And as you can see, all the lights were on, and we are going to get inside over the pitch, which I believe the foundations have now been laid, and we're waiting for it to flourish, apparently. What I've done here, it was quite dark, so we've just cut a section out and just overexposed the picture just so we can kind of see what's going on. So the quality of the footage when you do that isn't the best, but at least we can see what's happening. It's very grainy. I don't think the drone I have is made for nighttime content, let's say. Maybe we need to look at upgrading that. We will be back down in the day. Hopefully, I'm going to get down today on the 30th of October and try and just get a better sort of shot of the pitch. But that is what it's looking like at this moment. We also have been sent some exclusive inside footage. Now, when I say inside, it's actually inside the actual stadium, just at ground level. And I will include that in our next video. It's just dropped in my inbox. I don't know where it's come from. So that'll be included in the next daytime update. You can see the Wirral all lit up in the background there. We're just going to have a little tiny look across the north stand now. So I've been in the gym for about 2.5, nearly 3 years. And this next shot we're going to see is probably the best I've ever created, in my opinion. It just looks like them blue lights are turning on as we go round and see more of the east side of the ground. So I was pretty happy with that myself. So yeah, that is it. There's a few minutes of footage left. I'm just going to leave you with a bit of music so you can enjoy the scenes of the stadium, and we do get a lovely shot at the end as well. Take care. We'll see you very soon, and hopefully we'll be back over it soon.